Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer 4090. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer 4090 can hold a charge, you are not alone. This is a common issue that can occur due to battery degradation over time. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, including unexpected shutdowns and potential damage to your device's internal components. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to replace the battery and restore your device's performance. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a new battery suitable for the Acer 4090, and a clean workspace. To begin, ensure your Acer 4090 is powered off and unplugged from any power source. Carefully turn the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back cover. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws, placing them in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, take your plastic opening tool and gently insert it into the seam between the back cover and the body of the laptop. Be cautious as you work your way around the edges to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back cover is removed, you should see the battery tucked into place. The battery will be connected to the motherboard via a small cable. To locate the battery, look for the rectangular component labeled with the model number. Disconnect the battery cable by gently pulling it upwards from its connector. Now, you will need to remove the battery itself. It is usually secured by a few screws, so using the Phillips screwdriver again, carefully unscrew them. Apply even pressure when lifting the battery out to avoid stressing any nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and place it into the same slot, ensuring it sits snugly. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, making sure it is fully seated in its connector. After that, replace the screws that secure the battery in place. Before reattaching the back cover, double-check that all cables are securely connected and that there are no loose components. Now, align the back cover with the body of the laptop and press down gently to snap it back into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back cover. Before you power on your Acer 4090, ensure everything is in order. To prevent battery issues in the future, try to avoid letting your laptop completely discharge regularly, and always use the correct charger for your device. Regularly checking for software updates can also help optimize battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.